In this video, I'm going to show you how to use saved audio in your Instagram story. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, I'm gonna show you how to save audio. For that, I opened my Instagram and then I open some reel, and here at the left bottom or at the right bottom I can tap on audio icon, and now if I like that audio I can save it. Just tap on that save audio button. You see, button name changed to saved. It means that I saved that audio, and now I can use that in my story. Let me show you how I do that. For that, I open up my profile, tap on that plus icon, select story, and here I'll select some photo, and to add audio to that photo I select the sticker icon here and select that music widget right here, and now here I got bunch of different sounds for me, or I can browse sounds, but I need to tap on that saved button to open saved sounds, and here it is the sound that I just saved. And to add this sound to the story I just select that. I can crop it as I want, I can edit it, I can change the way it appears with text or just widget like that. I like small widgets here. And when I select the duration, I tap done, and now I can change the position of that widget. I can scale it up or scale it down, make it a little and change that position. And also now I can publish it to my story, so you see how that's simple and easy. I hope you like it, and before you go, please like and subscribe.